Bus life update. So been working hard. Working on these ceiling panels and these side panels, and unfortunately it's not as quick and simple, easy as just unscrewing everything. So I'll show you real quick. There's those side panels, and then they are folded up under the window. So I actually removed one of these windows. I've since reinstalled it to find out that it's actually rolled up under like some of the exterior sheet metal. So there's really not a way to just like quick disconnect it. So through a lot of research on Skoolie.net, where I find a lot of great forums, basically everybody kind of said that you either leave them or you just cut them out with the trusty angle grinder, metal cutting blade. So that's what I've been doing. I can show you down here kind of what that looks like. Not always the straightest. Of course, this will all be covered up once we get the insulation in and the wiring done and everything, so that you won't see it because it'll be behind framing and paneling. But at least allows us access to that exterior side so that we can get some good insulation and barrier to keep us nice and cozy in here, whether it's hot or cold.